Hey everyone, welcome back to the Empire Fine Homes channel. I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, and today we are bringing you the April 2025 market report for Queens. And we are covering both single-family homes and 1 to 4 family properties.
Let's start with single-family homes. In April, 213 homes were sold. That's a 9% drop compared to April 2024, when we saw 234 closed sales.
New listings are also fell by 7%. Just 427 homes came on the market.
And total inventory dropped as well. Only 1,073 single-family homes were available in April, down 12.5% year over year. That's keeping buyers' competition high.
And prices continue to rise. The median sales price climbed to $840,000, up 5% from last year.
Homes are also moving faster. The average days in the market fell to 64, down from 74 last April.
And sellers are receiving 96.1% of their original list price, showing that well-presented homes are still getting a strong offer. Now, let's talk about 1 to 4 family and multi-family homes. We're talking about 2 family homes, 3 family, and 4 family homes.
In April 2025, 120 multifamily homes sold with a median sales price of $1,129,500.
That's up from $1,036,000 in April 2024. And this home sold in an average of 49 days, just a bit faster than the 50 we saw last year.
Let's talk about pending activity. In April, 624 multifamily homes went into contract with a median list price of $1,180,000 and an average of 54 days on the market.
And right now, there are 956 multifamily homes currently for sale across Queens. But there is one more trend that we need to highlight, and that is the rise in expired listings.
That's right, Alejandra. The number of homes that did not sell has increased by 22% compared to the same time last year.
And we're talking about from January to April. So that tells us that sellers need to be more strategic than ever by pricing correctly, and having a strong marketing plan is essential.
So what does this all mean for you?
If you're thinking about selling, the market is still solid, but success depends on positioning your home the right way.
And if you're buying, opportunities are out there, but the best homes are still moving quickly.
Not sure what your next step should be? Let's talk. We are here to help you move with confidence.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell so you never miss a market update.
We are Elias and Alejandra with Empire Fine Homes, helping you move smarter in any market.